Here's a quick tip for everybody that's out there making tube frames. When you're piecing in small pieces like this, you can, when you go to put your tube frame in, depending on where you tack it in will actually kind of help you. So on this tube, if I were to tack it in down here on the outside part, as that tack cools, it could possibly pull the tube down. If I put it on the bottom, it would definitely pull the tube down in a way, because what we want to do is put that tack where as it cools and pulls on the steel, pulls the tube into position. So I'm going to throw a tack right there in the very top, and I bet what will happen is, with just that one tack, it should hold this tube where it needs to be. Let's find out. All right, part is tacked in right here on the top, and you can see when I pull back down, it just holds itself in position. If I were to really force it, I could probably push that down, but it is really solid. So, you can see it's not welded in there. So yeah, just put your tacks where you know when they shrink and they pull in that tube, it's going to help hold things and keep things from shifting on you.